Welcome to this beautiful custom-built 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home located on 18122 Kenner Drive in the 12 Oaks Subdivision of Prairieville, Louisiana. Entering the home through the exquisite front door leads you into the foyer and formal dining areas. The family room is nice in design with gas fireplace, tray ceilings, crown moldings and built-in ceiling fans. And the large ceramic tiled flooring flows throughout the main living areas. This home is an open triple split floor plan with soaring ceilings and an abundance of windows. This unique kitchen design is one of a kind and offers slab granite countertops with plenty of custom cabinetry, snack bar, a walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances and a breakfast nook. Entering into the large master bedroom with its beautiful tray ceilings, built-in ceiling fans, gas fireplace and laminate flooring. With plenty of windows in this room, you'll be sure to be getting plenty of natural light. The ensuite master bathroom has his and her vanities, jetted tub and stand-up shower. And the large walk-in closet is equipped with plenty of hanging space, shelving and fitted drawers. The additional bedrooms are very nice in size with laminate flooring and built-in ceiling fans and painted in a cool neutral color palette, and they also offer ample storage space. Separating the other bedrooms is a fully fitted Jack and Jill bathroom with his and her vanities, toilet and a tub shower combination. The fourth bedroom is cozy in size and has laminate flooring, built-in ceiling fans, and next to this room is another bathroom with standalone sink, toilet and shower tub combination. Stepping out into the backyard, you are greeted by this covered concrete patio area with built-in ceiling fans, and this would make a great place to relax in the summer. And with its lush green grass and mature trees, you'll feel at one with nature in this backyard. You can also enjoy summer evenings and weekends in the neighborhood park. And this home does not require flood insurance as it did not flood in 2016. So call for your private showing today.